Hey guys! On my last trip to Disney, I decided to make my own pair of Mickey ears. I went with the Little Mermaid theme for Magic Kingdom and Kingdom Hearts to wear at Epcot. Here is how I made them. After choosing the artwork I want, I print it out on transfer sheets that iron onto fabric. I make sure my fabric is free of dust and lint and iron it on. The image stays vibrant and it gives the fabric a leathery look and feel. I carefully sew the ears to make a perfect circle, leaving a few inches to turn it right side out. Cutting slits in the seam allowance helps the ears to have a smooth shape when turned right side out. I took this Kingdom Hearts headband and attached it to a fabric headband using hot glue and ribbon. Using my ear pattern, I traced the shape onto foam and cut out 2 pieces. It fits the ears perfectly and helps keep it sturdy. Then I use polyfill to stuff the ears so it's a bit more plush. When I'm content with the final shape, I use hot glue to attach it to the headband and reinforce it with a few hand stitches. Here's how it looks all finished. For the mermaid ears, I use my silhouette to cut out some HTV I will apply to the bow and ears. I'm using a shell pattern for my bow and a scale pattern for the ears. Here is everything all sewed together. I added the foam and polyfill until I like the shape. I wrapped the headband with the same green fabric used for the ears so it would all match. Then burn the edges to keep it from unraveling and finish them with a ribbon for a clean look. I'm using my first Mickey ears to copy the placement and glue the ears to the headband. I like to hand stitch the ears and bow to the headband as well to make sure it is nice and secure. The bow needed some bling, so I glued on these scale gems and mini pearls. After all the bedazzling, it was time to pack and head to Disney. I just love the way the hollow and glitter vinyl looks with the gems out in the sunlight. Of course, I had to see Ariel in the parade. And take a pic outside her grotto. And yes, I also made my shirt. I wore my Kingdom Hearts ears to Epcot and got many compliments from cast members. Here's me with my sister wearing our Kingdom Hearts ears in Mexico. Thanks so much for watching, guys! What Mickey ears are you wanting to make? Let me know. Bye!